Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is a first, combining the DNA of hypercars with ultra-luxury living. This limited edition RV is meant for progressive collectors, celebrities, and billionaires. A luxury, performance, and design masterpiece. Powertrain and performance. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome doesn't compromise comfort for performance like other motorhomes do. Bugatti's powertrain and a carbon aluminum monocoque chassis are employed. 8.0-liter W16 hybrid with quad turbocharged features include 1,200 plus horsepower, 1,100 pound-feet of torque, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour that is safety limited. Transmission, dual clutch automatic, 7 speeds. For the first time, the camper's all-wheel drive allows it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. Thanks to its carbon ceramic brakes, active aerodynamics, and innovative adjustable air suspension, this RV has amazing speed and stability. Interior of moving mansion with state-of-the-art technology and elegance previously only found in private planes and mega yachts. The cabin pays homage to French craftsmanship. Stylish lounge biometric access, retractable table, mood lighting, a 65-inch rollaway OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio, a panoramic electrochromic ceiling with a starry effect, a personalized crystal bar with a champagne cooler, and hand-stitched Bugatti leather chairs with carbon fiber trim. Full-width king-size bed with memory foam and silk linen, walk-in wardrobe with automatic lighting and humidity control, mirror-finished walls with concealed smart screens, an aroma diffuser, automated blackout curtains, carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops, and Gaggenau appliances such as a microwave, smart refrigerator, and induction cooktop are all hallmarks of an elite kitchen. A collapsible dining table for 4 people, a wine preservation system, and espresso machine. The spa-level restroom features a heated floor, privacy walls made of smart glass, a waterfall and steam shower with mood lighting, a bidet toilet with gold accents, and a touchscreen mirror that supports skincare and media, technologies and intelligent systems. 5G plus satellite internet with augmented reality overlays, AI-powered smart control system, Bugatti Life for voice and app interaction, solar-tiled roof with lithium-ion battery backup, complete automation, encompassing leveling, water, electricity, and concierge. Entry using facial recognition, outstanding security and features. Low-speed autonomous driving for parking and city navigation. 360-degree LiDAR and thermal detection. Med-drone alert and emergency health monitoring. Engine and cabin fire suppression. The intended audience, perfect for luxury businesses, global campaign influencers, VIP globe tours, red carpet events, hypercar collectors, and billionaires looking for distinctive mobile luxury. Depending on personalization, prices can range from $5 million to $8 million or more. Only 5 completely customized gadgets are anticipated worldwide.